going on, YouTube? This is Leo. This is my first video, you feel me? Thank y'all. Shout out to y'all. But yeah, first video. In today's video, we're gonna be hitting a little meet / cruise, you feel me? Just a little chill day. And then later on today, we should also be putting on my Nismo front bumper and my Ezsplitters that came in. And yeah, that should be that. Let's get it.
No, this ain't nothing to me. No, this ain't nothing to me. You think it's hate, y'all some wannabe. As far as I can see, quarantine. I stay to myself. Need my Doja, please. What you mean? I ball like Sharif. Y'all put me in the league. Y'all looking sad. What's with the long face? You got the wrong face. Need to go get your big face. Carry some big weight.
Alright then, y'all. These the splitters. Little Ezsplitters and the Nismo front bumper. I'm gonna leave this shit in the sun so that way this bitch fucking gets its original shape, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna go to the meet right now, and then later today we'll be installing these two. And yeah, that should be that. Here's the G thing, you feel me? Looking cute. Look at my boyfriends, y'all. Okay, yeah. You feel me, guys? With the gang. Feel me?
Take this part off, but this shit is wet. I'd rather get this. This part, these parts
Oh,
wet.
you take the whole convertible.
Yeah, like I meant like this. Like you know how this is? You get parts just like that. But nah, this shit's wet.
This shit's clean as fuck. Got a cop.
She looks better than mine.
Alright, so what up, guys? Today we are going to be painting my wheels.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean?
Them things. We got hella shit going on today.
We did a crankshaft and the lip on the fucking J.
Yeah, let them know, Marcus. Yes, sir.
Where you going to put the trunk? I'm going to see if the trunk is going to fit on top. The trunk's going to fit.
But yeah, that's that, guys.
Leo, what you doing to your car?
Hella shit.
What you doing to your car, Leo?
Yeah. You know, we about to do that Nismo front bumper and the side splitters.
I'm going to grab the trunk.
Okay.
On the left side.
But yeah, I'll get back to you on a bit. We're deep out here. And then we're working on my car right here. And then we're working on everybody else's car over here.
I am dying.
Cut these things off.
That's it.
Okay.
Hey, Martine said party at his house after we're done. Bring y'all beer, bring y'all
So we gotta cut these so it sits more flush, and we're just gonna drill something in here.
Oh, she never paid for it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I had running children. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you.
Don't fuck it up.
Went straight through. Straight through the hole. Straight.
Chris.
You sneeze? This nigga sneezed or something. He's like, go. He's like, hell no, Martin got a legendary sneeze.
His viewers ain't heard his sneeze.
My sneeze
This
is
nigga got a real goat sneeze. If you ever hear a goat sneeze, that's what it sounds like.
My sneeze is deadly.
That shit scared the fuck out of me at first. I was like, what the fuck? What was that?
Hey, watch this be the one he fuck up.
That might be, because I can't see that well on this one. Ah, bitch, that's my finger. Oh, fuck, I cut my finger.
Oh, damn it.
Hey, let's see what through though.
It went through my finger too. Here, let me see.
Good little title for the video.
Damn.
Whole finger got caught up.
Damn.
Sheesh.
Not clickbait, not clickbait.
Working on
Not
my
clickbait.
part.
All capitals. Oh shit.
Yeah, but I got you right through though.
It's good.
Nah, she be buying me shit. She bought me my fin. She bought me a new red badge. She bought me car parts. She bought me my lace and my ball though.
Oh,
She be calling me.
finish the whole pack.
If you drink that Sprite too, bro, oh my god, that water is boiling. Cause that McDonald's Sprite be hitting, bro. That water
Something weird.
Here, hit it. I'm holding.
2,000 years later.
Goes to the car. Man. Okay. Right now I got the Nismo from Bumper on, and I'm about to do my side splitters, and yeah, that should be that. Everybody's just chilling today.
Oh yeah, wait. Alright, now you're good.
Classy way. These like weird ass flaps, so we could put these under. So yeah, that's that right now. But yeah, car's coming along. Should be ready in like 10 minutes. Yes, sir. This shit looking clean, boys. Look at it. Oh, yeah. Sheesh. Air that, boys.
Oh, air this shit out. What cell type is that?
Yes, sir. This shit definitely looking clean. Yup. I'm gonna do a little video for y'all. This shit looking wet.
Hit that shit. That shit.
What's going on, guys? This is a day later. I forgot to record an outro for the video, but just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end, appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, other than that, until next time, guys, stay tuned.